Morning folks, Andy here and welcome back on board Potemkin. It's a bit overcast today, which is quite nice, so it's not too hot in here. So today we're going to start making this battery box that's going to go in here to load 6 batteries, leisure and starters. So it's also going to become a step, so it'll be above that height to that battery, some posts down, angle iron here, pot tray, make a tray so they'll sit in, and put a ratchet strap on them so it's all secure, and then it'll be then clad and become a step. So that's what I'm on with. So we're going to clean this out and probably get a lick of paint before I actually weld it in and that. So anyway, we'll see how we get on. So let's get on it. Right, the first thing we're going to do is get this steel cut up, make the frame. Try these DeWalt cutting discs. Never used them before. The slitting disc are milli thick. See if they're any good. Right, that's it. Let's go and try it on board. Oh, right, we'll just squeeze in together in here. Right, so that's where it goes. The batteries are going to sit in there like that. But on top of that, I want a solid, excuse me, a solid deck because it's a step. So I'm just going to raise that up a little bit off of that counter. So I don't want it sat, directly on top of that. I want to be able to, it wants airflow around it and what have you. So I'm just going to raise that up a little bit. I don't want to raise it up too much, otherwise the step will be hardly anything at the top. So we'll have a step, it'll be about 270mm up, which is about halfway up to the top of that. So next job now is I'm going to raise that up a little bit. We'll have sides on it, and then we'll probably put steel around it, or maybe timber, I don't know, probably steel. Just put some thin steel sheet around, make it an enclosed box then. Get these legs welded on now. Right, that's 3 of them on. That one's going to be longer, I think. I'm going to try it in the bolt. I think I'm going to take that down to the base plate. All this is coming out this pipe, it's just in way at the moment. So I either sit it on here like that, or I come over with it. If I leave it like that, which is the easiest way, it just makes it awkward here for the step, unless I cantilever the step here. Or I bring this, square it up to this one, but then it's a bit near there, I think. So we'll go with it like that. We'll cut the other leg off same size as them. I was going to bring this over and drop it down to the base plate, but I think I'm going to have to go with that, and we'll have to make a cantilever for the deck that we're stepping down on. So we get the other one put on and welded up. Yeah, it's just overheating. So it's together anyway. So we'll try it back in and we'll fetch welding set next time, or I'll take it back to the workshop when we finish it. Probably the best idea. So we'll put it back inside and have a look. So that's how it goes, like that. So it's all the way, it's bare, but all the way it goes through these legs and through those angles on the counter there. Batteries in it. So I'm going to put 3 sides on it, some thin plate, and then we'll have a lid. That will be the step for the top here onto there, then down into the bolt there. I think that's what I'll do, something like that. Should be about right. Comfy, climb up onto there, onto here, then up again. So that's what we're doing there. Batteries are going in there. There now. So that's all I can do with that today. So that little welding set's now good at all for this. So I can take that back to the workshop and I'll finish it there, put some plate on it, and I'll weld it up and then come and put it in, and it can just have we'll just fasten it in on the bolt then. So that'll work fine, that. So anyway, we'll call it a day today. It's just coming on to rain out here. It's got a bit dark, it's coming on to rain. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the vlog, and if you do, why don't you like and subscribe, and you can see the rest of the fit out on this belt. Alright, see you later. Ta-ra.